Medicare is one of the greatest institutions in this country, and the idea that Medicare is unsustainable, it's a nonsense. The reason Australia gets such good health care at such a low price is because of Medicare. The idea that we would put a big co-payment in front of somebody in an effort to try and reduce people's ability to access a doctor makes no sense. What it will do, it'll mean people will end up going from their GP to much more expensive emergency departments, costing the taxpayer much more than what we currently pay. We've got two choices when it comes to paying for healthcare. You can do it through a single insurer like Medicare, or you can go down the US path. You have a two-tiered system, you have it highly privatised, you have a user pays model, it costs a lot more and it delivers much worse healthcare. Don't believe the nonsense that healthcare spending is out of control, that it's unsustainable and that Medicare is responsible for it. It's wrong, it's pure ideology. It's ideology from a government that's never supported Medicare. It doesn't like the idea of a single public insurer, despite all of the evidence being crystal clear. You have a single public insurer, you get better health care, everybody can access it, doesn't matter the size of their wallet, and it's good for the overall health budget because Medicare keeps prices down. Why on earth would we want to put a barrier in front of someone from seeing a GP, knowing that what that means is they're going to end up in hospital, paying much more for health care, and the community pays more for it? No, it's ideological. It's like a lot of these cuts in the Commission of Audit, pure ideology, ignoring the evidence, and the Australian community deserve to have, as Peter Dutton said, let's have a debate about it. Well, if we're going to have a debate, release the Commission of Audit report, and let's start having that debate, because we know, and the Australian community know, that Medicare gives great value for money. They love it. And you know what the job of government is? Build up Medicare. Don't tear it down. It's easy to wreck things. You see, wrecking things is easy. This is a government of wreckers. They want to tear down Medicare. They want to tear down our public institutions. They want to tear down our national parks. Well, we should be building them up. We should be protecting them. Building's harder. Creating things is harder, but that's what leaders do, and this government's sorely lacking in leadership.